Northeast Renewable Energy Research Lab, based in Jorhat, is a research center designed for solar energy research, which aims to undertake and promote projects for rural as well as urban areas of the country and Assam in particular. Our mission is to initiate all activities in the field of non conventional energy sources like solar, wind, biomass, microhydel, and municipal solid waste, and thereby tap the potential to generate energy for various uses, either industrial or domestic, and especially for the rural, hilly, and border areas, which is not connected to the conventional grid. We have zeal to develop and commercialize solar technologies suited for urban and tropical applications and support industry development and the energy transformation towards higher solar adoption. It is basically a joint venture supported by Science and Technology Department through Assam Energy Development Agency. We already have taken a few initiatives for upliftment of rural people. Different measures have been taken in different parts of Assam like Majuli, Tittabor, etc. On 7th of July 2019, Shri Keshav Mahanta Sir, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Water Resources and IT Department, inaugurated the Northeast Renewable Energy Research Lab. His presence and energizing words motivated us to work harder for innovation and socio-economic development. Here are some of our completed projects. Automated Rotation Dual Powered Solar Incubator. The main aim of the project is to harness solar energy to power an incubator which can hold a maximum of 1500 eggs at a time, and to design an incubator at minimum cost which can automatically rotate the eggs, keeping a sense of the time required for the rotation of the eggs. Solar energy can be implemented to incubators to make them renewable and cost effective. Although there are certain limitations to solar energy, but the prospects of the utilizations have shown very positive results. To see the success rate of the design inventories, the same was distributed among a group of village people in Majuli, Panjan, Tittabor, etc. It is envisioned that such distribution will provide a livelihood income opportunity for the village people and to bring together the fragmented activities of solar power, women empowerment through electrification, so as to create a roadmap for employability and sustainability. Dual powered solar incubator will revolutionize the lives of many and render them easy livelihood with increased benefits. Primarily, the growth of locality in Majuli in the later stages shall capitalize on the development of the state and the country. It is very rarely seen that the revenue is generated from inventories at an early stage, but we were successful in doing so. Our local grown chickens are in market now. As a joint venture between ADA and NERDRL, a part of income was shared with the director of ADA. Ever since the advent of solar panels, efficiency of solar panels has been a topic of research. Different methods of increasing efficiency have been implemented and analyzed. Most of the researches were done emphasizing on the components used to manufacture the panels. Although state of art of solar panels comparatively has very high efficiency, but this efficiency can further be increased by implementing mechanical methods of rotation of panels to track the sun. All these techniques together, if implemented, is expected to increase the efficiency. Our project aims to integrate a self-cleaning thin film and a dual axis tracking system that can track the sun from morning to evening and generate peak units of electricity throughout the day, irrespective of the position of the sun. Different stages of research is being implemented to test the rise and fall in efficiency of the panel. Dual axis solar tracking system with linear actuator. Small solar panels of 4 volt capacity are integrated on 4 sides of the rectangular frame of the solar panel. This solar panel has been used to compare incident ray on all of the sides of the panel. 2 linear actuators are connected to a motor driver circuit and an Arduino Mega to activate it upon command. Incident sun rays generate certain output voltage which is sensed using a microcontroller circuit. As we are aware, dust accumulation on solar panels is one of the main causes for fall in efficiency of a solar panel. NERERL, in collaboration with the Penn State University, is trying to design a self-cleaning solar film with hydrophobic properties in it. Along with this, a micro vibrator may be sensed to dislodge the dust particles. Anti-wind storm strategy using machine learning. Storms are pretty strong and relatively more frequent in our terrains as compared to the rest of the country because of geographical positions we have. So it becomes all the most important to have structures and installations able to withstand such situations standing out in proper health. In the same regard, we propose our anti-storm system to fight such hours efficiently. As it's well known that the effect of storm realized on any structure is dependent on 2 parameters only: pressure of incident wind wave and the area of the exposed surface. Low-cost bee venom machine. Honey bees contains venom, or in chemical term contains methanoic or formic acid. This acid can be used in medical practices. There is a glass placed beneath the windings where the honey bee is stimulated to release its venom. The entire circuit is powered by a battery which is charged by a solar panel through a charging device. The alternate voltage is maintained by an Arduino circuit. India loses 60 million tons of agriculture products due to post-harvest losses every year. Faced with unpredictable weather and unstable land, the issue is scarce for farmers. To find a way to create technology that would help improve conditions for farmers, reducing waste and preventing malnutrition, this may have brilliant results. The idea is to design a solar conduction dryer that allows farmers to dehydrate food products such as fruits, spices, vegetables, fish or meat quickly and easily. It means the food they harvest can be stored for longer time, minimizing waste and providing nutrition for farming families and their customers. Products that has been obtained from solar dryer are herbal tea, hot sip immunity booster that has lots of benefits for human health and may kill diseases which may have adverse effects on our health. Farmers, primarily women smallholders, may be benefited by selling dried food. It is sure that each device can also save 50 tons of carbon dioxide in 10 years, compared with electrical dryers. The low temperature Haldi-Tech machine can dehydrate all tuber crops like ginger, turmeric and cassava to retain 25 to 50% of the key ingredients like curcumin and ginger oil. The electricity powered machine is highly energy efficient, needing only 10% of energy than its competitors. Process needs adequate heat to drive the moisture away from the turmeric or ginger which is put into dry. To achieve a state of complete dryness, the heat is needed to be trapped inside the device where the actual drying process takes place. To achieve this, a water-resistant plywood structure with an inner lining of aluminium is prepared such that it can retain heat for a longer period of time. The structure is also painted in black from outside. Sun-powered solution for fresh potable water, which may be beneficial for off-grid Indian communities. In the first stage, a survey was done by collecting water samples from different communities of villages around Jorhat and Titaborh. The TDS level of the water in Jorhat is acutely low, ranging around 70 to 80 ppm, which can be a health derogative for the people not attaining required minerals through their food. The low mineral content of the water is normally replenished by food if we have proper diet. But for economically weaker section of the society, this is not attainable. This is a serious concern for people drinking this water for a longer period of time. The use of normal ROs like AquaGuard, Pureit, etc. makes the situation even worse and reduces the TDS even more. Our research is going on to remove the harmful ions present in water through added minerals and 6-chamber filtration process. Solar Still. This project aims to fulfill the increasing demands for fresh water by harnessing solar energy in rural as well as in urban regions. With the major depletion in fossil fuels and non-renewable energy, the need to shift energy sources to natural sources is ever increasing. And this project would not merely accomplish this, but would also let poor people access to fresh water, as it would be one of the most cost-effective techniques for producing fresh water. The basic first stage would cover it all. Since the productivity of solar still entirely depends on the climatic parameters, therefore, the second stage would focus on improving productivity by using some active methods such as flat plate collectors, evacuated pipes, focusing mirrors, etc. Solar powered pest control. Farm fields can be prone to pest infiltration as they are very easy targets. If there is no prevention against these pests, the farmer may face heavy loss due to the crop spoilage. So, an effective device to reduce such infiltration is a vital requirement for the farmers. Solar Pest Controller is one such device which can help reduce the problem without the use of any harmful chemicals and implementation of solar energy to make it renewable. Man and animal conflict. The human population in Northeast India has increased at a rapid rate in the past 50 years as compared to the animal population. Due to that, number of vehicles increased in the road, which causes more accidents in the areas near to Kaziranga National Park and other wildlife regions. We have designed an advanced alarming system based on deep learning and image processing, which will warn the people of the area if elephants or other animals are approaching them. This will not only reduce the accidents in the streets with animals, but will also provide time to the people residing in the villages near the wildlife areas in case of emergency. Integration of anti-theft device for protection of solar panels. The concept of this system is to integrate a copper wire and a siren in an Arduino, which would act as a sensing element of a possible disconnection. The copper wire would form a network routed through certain holes on the panels. In case of a possible theft, it would become necessary to disconnect the wires first, which would in turn trigger the siren connected to the Arduino. Eucalyptus oil extraction. Eucalyptus oil has wide applications for alleviating pain associated with arthritis, gout, inflammation, edema, and other various musculoskeletal pain. It is a wide range of market in India, especially for chronic pain which is not curable by analgesics. Anti-rape stick for safety of girls. This project aims towards the safety of women in this unfortunate, unsafe rising world. We propose this advocating that is, prevention is better than cure. This tech shall be realized in 3 steps, starting with an AC-DC conversion with recourse to force actuation using an FSR. The second stage shall capitalize on mild AC shocks, and the final stage shall communicate an alarm message to the nearest help center for immediate safety of the victim. Smart Village. This initiative will have a direct impact on promotion of Honorable Prime Minister call for vocal for local products. At first stage, we will deal with study and development of a village as a smart village. We define smart village as a bundle of services of which are delivered to its residents and businesses in an effective and efficient manner. Smart village is that modern energy access which acts as a catalyst for development in education, health, security, productive enterprise, and the environment. We are making smart village by taking smart decisions using smart technologies and services. NERERL is happy to host few good scholars from state engineering colleges, NIT Silchar and BITS Pilani. He is Mr. Tanmay Sharma. He is an intern of summer 2019 batch and he is currently pursuing his MTech from IIT Patna. He worked on analysis of dual axis tracking 2-motion programming using servo motors in the pilot project. His work is in different stage of publication. This is Mr. Ishanuj Hazorika from BITS Pilani. His topic of research is the design of dual axis solar panel using structural design software. In addition to it, he submitted a literature review on self-healing composite materials. This is Mr. Shayan Bhaumik from NIT Silchar. He worked on prediction of wind speed using machine learning concepts, supervised jointly by the director of NERERL and the Professor Pinaki Mitra sir of IIT Guwahati. Mr. Yashraj Singh and Mr. Aman Mishra from SRM University worked on the design and development of gas mixtures for IC engine application. With an opportunity to be trained in a domain of renewable energy by providing them 1-week training program. Moreover, the ardor to anneal the plinth of society has led to programs such as Bal Vikas Yojana scheme, promoting free education for grade level competencies to underprivileged children.